Welcome to my channel. I'm Lena and it snowed here yesterday and I am so tired of the snow and the winter and I was really feeling the spring and summer vibes, so I decided to do a golden goddess makeup tutorial with a lot of copper and yellow and gold and all that good stuff. Well, if you want to see how to get this golden goddess look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already have the rest of my face done, so this hopefully should be pretty quick. I'm going to start off with a really fluffy blending brush. I'm using the ColourPop E2 and I'm going into the shade Note to Self from the ColourPop Yes Please palette. And I'm just starting to buff that into my crease. And I'm going to drag that out to the edge of my eyebrow. I'm just using really huge circular motions to super diffuse this color out. And then I'm going to deepen up that crease again with the same Note to Self color. Next, I'm going to take GNO. It's a little bit more of an orangey, like a burnt orangey brown. And I'm going to put that deep into my crease on the outer corner. I'm using the ColourPop E9 brush. I'm going back in with that really big crease brush to blend GNO into Note to Self, just because I want them to be super seamless. I'm going to use Mischief on the ColourPop E1 blending brush to buff underneath my eye. And I'm buffing Mischief into the outer edge of the top of my eye to kind of make that seamless. Next, I'm going to take the ColourPop E9 tapered blending brush and use Note to Self on the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm going to take a really fluffy lay down brush and the shade Full Zip. It's a kind of bone color, and I'm going to use that on my brow bone. Then I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Lala. It's a really pretty copper color, and I'm going to use my finger to pat that onto my lid. I'm sorry, my nails are so atrocious right now. I know they're really bad. Don't judge me, please. And then to blend that color out, I'm going to take a small tapered blending brush and just buff along the edges. I'm going to use a small lip brush and the shade Butter Cake. It's a really pretty light gold. I'm going to put that on my inner corner and underneath my lash line about a third of the way in. I like using a lip brush because it's so small, you get a little bit of control with it. Just fits really well into the inner corner of my eye. On my waterline, I'm going to put the NYX Faux White in White Smoke. I think that the purple would contrast really well with this bronzy look. And then I'm going to go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, so I decided to do a nude lip with this. I thought it would be perfect, so I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in Zuma. I really love the blotted lips and the ultra blotted lips because I love the look of sheer lipstick. I really shouldn't talk while I'm doing this. Alright, so that is a Golden Goddess makeup look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I just flung my string. Oh. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. I would appreciate it so much. And if you like my content, make sure to subscribe. I'll also leave little subscribe things here. Yeah, click on it, subscribe, click down below, subscribe. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.